Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Dogecoin from Kraken to Revolut in 2025. If you're holding Dogecoin on Kraken and want to move it to Revolut for easier management or spending, you're in the right place. This process is simple, but always double-check for any platform updates. By 2025, crypto rules can change. First things first, make sure you have both a Kraken account with your Dogecoin and a Revolut account that supports cryptocurrency. Revolut has been expanding its crypto features, so verify that Dogecoin is available in your region. Start by logging into your Kraken account. Head over to the Wallets or Funding section. Look for the Withdraw option. Select Dogecoin from your list of assets. Now, you'll need Revolut's Dogecoin wallet address. Open your Revolut app, go to the Crypto section, and find your Dogecoin wallet details. Copy that address carefully to avoid any mistakes. Back on Kraken, paste the Revolut address into the withdrawal form. Double-check the address. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to transfer, keeping in mind any network fees. Kraken might use the Dogecoin network, so factor in those costs. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for security. Once submitted, the transfer could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. A few tips to make this smooth. Always use the exact network specified. Dogecoin typically uses its own blockchain. Watch out for minimum withdrawal amounts on Kraken, and check Revolut for any deposit limits. By 2025, Revolut might have even more integrated features, so keep an eye on their updates. If you run into issues, both platforms have helpful support chatbots. And that's it, you've successfully transferred your Dogecoin. Remember, crypto can be volatile, so manage it wisely. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.